wants to learn how to make this amazing cinnamon raisin flaxseed bun. Super delicious, high in fiber, high in nutrients, low in carbs, and low in fat. This is healthy, delicious, versatile, and you're going to absolutely love it. Eat it plain like this, cut it in half, or toast it like this. Risa Weiner YouTube. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm so happy that you're here joining me today because that means you're looking for some healthy, nutritious, high protein, high fiber, delicious, versatile recipes, right? And hopefully I can help you stay on track. Excuse me, stay on track and, focus on your health journey as well. As most of you know, I've lost 120 plus pounds, kept it off for 12 years most of the time. Sure, nothing's perfect. I've put on a few pounds here and there, and now I'm on another journey to get to my final and forever. I never believed I could get to a certain number, and I guess, I just didn't have the confidence, and now I do. I was able to maintain, and that is really key as well. So these recipes that I'm going to show you, and that I've showed you already, will help you on a weight loss and maintenance journey, because both are just as important. So what are we making today? One of my favorite breads are cinnamon raisin or bagels or buns. I just love that combo. But the high carbs, not so much. So I thought, I made a flaxseed bun, and I thought, why not change it up, moderate, right? And make something that's just as delicious as a regular piece of bread, bun, bagel, with just a few ingredients, okay? So before I get started, remember, subscribe, share, like, comment, tell people about Risa Weiner's YouTube channel, okay? So, my passion is to help others and pay it forward. So let's get started to this really easy peasy recipe, okay? Firstly, you need to have your ingredients available. Okay, so the star of the show is flaxseed. So the first time I made this, I actually bought the flaxseed whole, okay, and a big bag like this was $4 at Walmart. And then I went a few days later, and I couldn't believe it. Right beside it, and I missed it, was already ground flaxseed. Hello, for $1 cheaper. So this was $4, a little bit bigger. Grind it yourself. I did it in my Ninja. Works beautifully. Or buy a smaller bag for $3. This is 750 grams, and this is, okay, well, it's half. But, sometimes, we're busy people, and it just makes life easier, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I have a very wide mug, or you can use a bowl, and then I'm just going to gently spray it with some avocado oil spray or whatever spray you want, okay? And then the next thing I'm going to do is add 4 tablespoon of my flaxseed. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Really easy so far. Again, you can grind it up yourself, really easy, or make life very easy and buy it already ground up. Now we're just going to add 1 egg. Okay, really easy. I love simple recipes. And then I have my baking powder, and we are going to use a quarter. I don't know, this is old. It is a quarter. Oh, here it says it on the top. Quarter teaspoon. That's it. No more. Just a quarter teaspoon. And add that in. Okay? So now I'm going to add the cinnamon sugar. Now, I had bought one a long time ago, but I actually make my own. I just add cinnamon and your choice of sugar or sugar substitute. But you're not really using a lot, even if you're using regular sugar, and just sprinkle in about a good teaspoon. Okay? Now, for the raisins, you can add them in right now, or you can add them to the top. But all you're going to do now is take a fork and mix it all together. Okay? I love these kind of recipes that are just in a bowl or in a mug. Just make sure you get to the bottom. Okay? Just mix it really well. Get all that egg mixed together with the flaxseed and the baking powder. Okay? Super easy. So I'm just going to take about a tablespoon, just a few of my raisins. Okay, if you just want the cinnamon and you don't want the raisins, you don't like the raisins, that's fine. I also like using the Everything Bagel Seasoning, or you can use sesame seeds. You can use any kind of seed. All right, I love the way it looks after, or you could add pumpkin seeds. I'm going to add a few of those. Why not? For extra fiber and extra energy. Okay, that's what it even says on the bag. All right, I'm not lying. So, and you could use sunflower seeds. You could use sesame seeds. If you like, you could even add some nuts to this for extra protein as well. And now we are going to add this to our microwave for one minute. Okay, so it's just cooled down, and I'm just going to add this to my plate. It pops right out. Sometimes I use a little knife to go around it. Sometimes I add some cinnamon on top before or just after I microwave it. If you like, you can also cut them in half and toast them, get them nice and crispy, or eat them just like this. I like to cut it in half myself and toast it, and I love to add my favorite cream cheese or regular cheese, some fruit with it. I'm boiling up some eggs now. You could add tuna, any protein that you love with it. It is so delicious and nutritious. I can't wait for you to try this recipe, especially if you're like me and love cinnamon raisin. Cinnamon raisin all the way, guys. All right, so here I am again. I can't wait to eat my breakfast. I'm so hungry. And, you can keep these, make several, okay? Make several of them. You can freeze them. You can keep them in the fridge for, I would say, up to maybe 4 or 5 days max. And then you have a quick on the go if you're in a hurry, us busy people that are working, or even if you're not working. I know a lot of friends of mine that aren't working that are just as busy. Okay, so just something easy, simple, quick, that will be nutritious and help you on your health journey. Hope this was helpful. Love you guys. Bye for now.